The 2025 Bajaj Qute continues to redefine the concept of affordable urban mobility by combining compact design with practical performance. It has been marketed as a quadricycle rather than a traditional car, which positions it between a rickshaw and a small city car. With rising fuel costs and growing traffic congestion, the Qute emerges as an efficient solution for daily commuting and short city trips. Its lightweight build and eco-friendly engineering make it particularly appealing for those seeking a budget-friendly vehicle for everyday use. Powered by a 216cc single-cylinder engine, the 2025 Bajaj Qute offers both petrol and CNG variants. While the petrol engine generates around 13 horsepower, the CNG option produces about 11 horsepower. The top speed is limited to about 75 km per hour, which may not sound impressive compared to compact cars, but for urban settings where speed is rarely the priority, it is sufficient. Its engine is paired with a 5-speed manual transmission that allows drivers to make the most of the limited power while maintaining fuel efficiency. One of the strongest selling points of the Qute is its outstanding mileage. The petrol variant delivers approximately 35 km per liter, while the CNG version achieves around 43 km per kilogram. This efficiency directly addresses the rising concern of high running costs in modern transportation. The Qute is designed with an emphasis on economy, which is why it has been widely adopted in markets where affordability and practicality outweigh luxury or performance. The compact size of the Bajaj Qute makes it ideal for crowded city roads. Maneuverability is excellent, and parking in tight spaces becomes stress-free. With dimensions much smaller than conventional hatchbacks, the Qute manages to navigate narrow lanes and busy traffic with ease. Its light weight of around 450 kilograms also contributes to agility and reduced fuel consumption. Inside, the Qute is minimalistic yet functional. It seats 4 people, including the driver, with 2 rows of seating. The cabin is basic, featuring durable plastic materials that emphasize functionality over style. There are no high-end infotainment systems or premium finishes, but that is consistent with its purpose as a cost-effective mobility solution. The windows and overall design provide adequate visibility, making it easy to drive in crowded streets. Safety is limited, given that the Qute is not a conventional car but a quadricycle. It does not offer airbags or advanced safety features that are standard in passenger cars. However, its structure is designed to be more protective than a 3-wheeler auto rickshaw, offering slightly more stability and passenger protection. The low top speed also reduces the risk of severe accidents, which somewhat balances the absence of advanced safety technology. When it comes to environmental impact, the Bajaj Qute is far cleaner compared to older auto rickshaws and traditional small taxis. Both its petrol and CNG variants comply with emission regulations such as BS6 and Euro 4, making it suitable for international markets with stricter environmental laws. Its lower emissions, combined with fuel efficiency, make it a responsible option for eco-conscious commuters. In terms of utility, the Qute is mainly targeted at commercial use such as small taxis, ride-hailing services, or shared mobility in developing countries. In nations like Pakistan, Nepal, Egypt, and some African countries, the Qute has become a popular replacement for auto rickshaws because it offers better weather protection, slightly improved comfort, and a more modern appearance. For personal use, it appeals to individuals who need a cheap and efficient family vehicle for short distances. The 2025 model does not feature dramatic changes compared to previous years, but Bajaj has improved overall refinement and compliance with newer emission standards. This ensures that it remains relevant in its segment and continues to serve as a reliable and affordable solution. The company markets it as a practical choice rather than a luxury purchase, and that honesty in positioning makes it stand out in its category. Overall, the Bajaj Qute is not designed for everyone, especially those looking for performance, luxury, or highway driving. However, for city dwellers seeking low-cost commuting, commercial drivers in ride-hailing or taxi services, and markets where budget transportation is a necessity, the Qute provides unbeatable value. It blends affordability, efficiency, and basic comfort in a compact package, making it one of the most practical mobility solutions in 2025.